My son, take care of your little brothers. The combat is now. Sharpen your spears, and don't forget thy arrows, as well as all archers' requirements. The combat is now. Liberations are out. Count not in heaven, there is no answer there. For the heaven is hidden to those who believe that it is located above. Through the Bible, their schedule, they have scorned to our foolishness. You have eyes, but you don't see. You have ears, but you don't hear. And now, pre-planned acts at Patmos that we read millions of times. We can realize them now happening. How are we different from blind who never see? Revelations are out, but call not revelations by God, not even prophecy. It is accomplishment of plans. Listen up. Recently, priest told me we have Almighty God. Then I kneeled down to be healed with the faith that God is able to heal every business. Now, in synagogue, God there is afraid of common cold. Maybe he doesn't want stress anymore. And me, I am dying with a grief and the grief that I won't tell the next tragedy to the following generation. But be wise and read Bible, their schedule. There is answer for your question. Open your eyes to the things unseen. Open your ears to untold story. For he who sees and he who hears can win the combat. Combat not to shed blood like them, but to survive. For the combat turned into blood sport is not yours. Revelations are out. Combat to survive.